In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom paypal.me link. So if you create a custom paypal.me link, what this means is you can send this link to people that are wanting to pay your account, and it makes the whole process a lot easier. So to create a link like this, what you can do is first of all open up your PayPal. Once you open up PayPal, you will be on your homepage here obviously, and from here you can click on the settings cog in the top right hand corner of your screen. And in today's video, what you need to click on will be public profile. Once you click on public profile, you can start going through the process to create this public profile. So now you can click on get started. Once you click on get started, you can add a photo or you can click on continue without a photo. So in today's video, I will click on continue without a photo. And as you can see now, it will prompt you to create a paypal.me link. So create a link that's easy to remember and share to get paid back. So what you can do is simply go ahead and put in a username kind of thing here. So I will put in Ryan2MT. Once you've put that in and it is available, you can then click on the next button. Once you click on next, as you can see, that will be my custom paypal.me link from now on. So once you are happy, you can click on agree and create. Once you click on agree and create, as you can see now, my profile is now live and I can start sending my PayPal link out. So it's just that simple to create a paypal.me link, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.